In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Monday.com is a powerful project management tool that can help streamline your workflow and keep your team on track. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once there, look for the login button in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it to get started. If you're already familiar with logging into Monday.com, you'll know you have the option to use different authentication methods. For this quick tutorial, let's choose to log in with your Google account for ease and speed. Simply click on the Google button and a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Select the account you'd like to use, and just like that, you'll be logged into Monday.com. Now that you're on your dashboard, the next step is to create a new document. Look up towards the top of the page and click on the plus icon. This is your gateway to making new and exciting project plans. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select the Template Center. Using templates is a fantastic way to get a head start on your project plan setup, as they offer pre-built structures designed by experts to efficiently cater to your needs. Once in the Template Center, you'll notice a search bar. Type in Project Plan to find what you're looking for quickly. This handy search tool allows you to filter through numerous templates and options to find exactly what you need without wasting time browsing aimlessly. You should now see a template labeled Project Plan Monday Work Doc. Go ahead and click on that. This template is designed to give you a structured starting point, making it much simpler to outline all necessary elements of your project, including tasks, deadlines, responsibilities, and more. Once you've selected the Project Plan Work Doc, look for the Use Template button and click it. And there you are. You now have a ready-to-use project plan template integrated directly into your Monday.com workspace. You can edit the various fields, adjust timelines, assign tasks, and begin tracking your project's progress in real time. In conclusion, by following these straightforward steps, you've just set up a project plan in Monday.com that can help drive your team's productivity to new heights. As you start using the platform's features, explore and customize your workspace to better fit your specific project needs. Thank you for watching, and happy planning on Monday.com.